Guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday, no foundation, no makeup look. It's like a natural makeup look. I use this for like every day. So I guess we'll just get into it. Okay, so I look a little crazy right now because I just woke up, so my hair is a mess. So we're going to put this thing on. I'm actually going to try this new primer. I usually use this because I'm lazy. This thing right here. Oh my god, that's like backwards. It's the First Base Primer. It's a primer spray from NYX. Can't freaking see it. Oh my gosh, whatever. Anyways, I'm going to try this Poreless Putty Primer from e.l.f. People have been talking about it, so I want to try it. It's backwards, so whatever. Deal with it. Anyways. So then, I usually don't do my eyebrows, but for this, I guess I will. Okay, so I just brushed down my hairs. Oh yeah, I'm cheap, so I'm using e.l.f. Can't see it anyway, so it doesn't matter. Brow pencil thing. Yes, that's a brow pencil with a little spoolie on the back. I don't know what color this is. Anyway, you can buy this at like CVS or whatever. I just fill it in. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna clean it up with concealer anyways. And I just brush it to give it more of a natural look. That's Gooch. I take my concealer as well. It is e.l.f. because we ballin' on a budget. In the color Light. There we go. Just put it on my wrist. Hand. And then I take this little flat brush I got off Amazon. It's the brand is Hot Rose. I have the whole palette, the whole thing, the brush set thing. But I like it. And it's just like this little thin point right here. And, okay. I just dab it on. My eyebrows looking crusty, but it's cool. And just dab it up. It's not like it makes a lot of a difference, but and then again, just dab it out. I just do it with my fingers because I feel like it just blends in better that way for a more natural look if I'm doing like a full face. And then okay, I'll use a beauty blender, but for this case, no. I just brush it again. See? Good. I'm going for the rest. I just go back with the same concealer that I used before. Put it under my little Louis Vuitton bags. Like so. You can't even see it. Wow. That color match. Okay. This one is a little bigger. A more expensive bag rather than this one. I got a little blemish here. Let's cover that up. Because I'm in my chin. Even though nobody's gonna see me from that angle. But I just blend it out with my finger. I'm not gonna use a beauty blender right now because I just don't on a daily basis. So I'm just showing you what I do every day, all day. Okay. I always use a tapping motion, never rub, never wipe, just dab. I don't use a crazy amount because I don't need a crazy amount. Just a waste of product. Okay. Ouch. Oh, my thing fell off. Okay, so we're good.
Why isn't this thing focused? Can I put this back on? Gosh.
I'm gonna take this brush from Sephora, highlight and contour, and do like this. It's small or whatever, and then I take this Fit Me matte and poreless powder, also drugstore, because I didn't got money for that. And I just take this, I'm gonna put it everywhere that I put the concealer. And I just like dab it on. I don't put a crazy amount, because it's not necessary. Okay. Yes. Okay, that's it. Go in with Fit Me Matte Poreless brush powder. It's like brown, so I basically just use this to look a little tanner because I look like death right now. I'm looking a little white, and I am a tropical woman. So anyways, I go with this fluffy brush from that hot rose thing I got from Amazon. It's one of my favorite brushes. This was like 18 bucks or something, like 20 bucks for like the whole thing. Anyways, I just like brush it on like really lightly because we're gonna try to change our skin color here, but just trying to look a little more lively, if you would say. Just brush it on. I literally just dab it, just go pop, pop. That's it. Okay. See, I'm looking a little better. So many looks. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with e.l.f. again. Sponsor me. Always Rosy blush. I've been using for a while, and then this e.l.f. Flawless face brush. It's also a little puffy, little puff brush, little puffy puff. And then take a little bit of that, and I'm just gonna go. Ooh, okay. I like to put a little bit more because I'm gonna put highlighter here, and it kind of like diminishes the blush. Is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know. We'll go with that. And put a little bit on my nose because we cute, and a little bit the residue that's on it. I like to put it here and here. I feel like I need a little bit more here. Okay. Now we're gonna take our fan brush, which I got, I don't know where I got it. It's cheap, I don't know. So I have this Anastasia good kid thing. It's the highlighter, and I'm just gonna use the Drip and Gold one, which is kind of like my favorite now. And I'm just gonna fan that on. I don't put like so much that you can like freaking see it from afar, but just enough to give it that look. just like to accentuate it. Put it on the nose, on the chin, and here. Sometimes I like to put my inner corner, sometimes I don't. It depends how I'm feeling. So now we're gonna go in with just a black liner. This is just LA Colors drugstore. I don't do this all the time, but when I like to look a little extra, I put it on. So I put it on underneath, you know, right there, just to make my lashes look a little fuller because I don't put on fake lashes. I will if it's like for a wedding or something, or if I'm feeling extra lasty, but today that's not the case. We're in quarantine. Okay, so, ooh, this tickles. Okay. Do something to the other side. No. We bad, we don't cry. Okay. So after that, sometimes I like to put it right here. I forgot what that's called. Can you see? Okay. Just like a tiny bit. Yeah, just like to do that. We're going for a natural look, alright? You know this light really shows my bags. Just put it in. I can't really like see it that much, but it's there. So sometimes I like to put on top here. That also makes my lash line look fuller. Like literally right there. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna blend that into. You can blend it with your finger, you can blend it with a brush. But I just prefer to blend it with my finger. I'm going with my mascara. I use two mascaras from the same brand. Maybelline Great Lash. These little pink ones. I use the big. That's good enough. And then the waterproof, because the big isn't waterproof. So I just do the big and then I do the waterproof on top. So I always apply it like this because I don't like clumpy lashes. And I'm just gonna put the other one on top so you can see. Can't really tell the difference, but we gonna put it because I feel like it just locks that in. That way it's not like all here. I don't like that. Okay, we good. And then I like to put a little bit on the lash line, but just like right here, just to give it a little spice. Just a little bit. We're just gonna do the same thing to the other eye. And then after all that's done, I like to take a brown liner, doesn't matter which kind, and I like to accentuate my little freckles that I have. And then I have two here, and then I have one there, and I have one here, and I have one here. That just makes it look a little bit more natural. So that's what we're gonna do. Finish off, I like to use the NYX Dewy Finish. Can you see? I prefer the dewy over matte. I just don't like how matte looks on my skin. So we're gonna spray it. So that's basically it. My hair's still a mess, but I don't feel like brushing it. So this is my natural, everyday makeup look. Can't really tell much of a difference. Yes, you can on mine. But if you like it, you can do it. Maybe it's gonna work for you, maybe it won't. But this is like my go-to makeup feel like, because I usually never do a full face of makeup. This is what I like to do when I go out or whatever. But that's it. Bye.